Hi everyone, it's Ian. This is me. I don't know why I'm so nervous to make this video. Honestly, it doesn't make any sense. Actually, I know the reason why, and we'll get to that. But for the Halloween season, which the Halloween season has already started, but Halloween officially begins September 1st. Everybody knows that. I'll be making crafts that I pick out of this little pumpkin right here. You can see my voodoo doll now has arms. It's very exciting. I think they're so cute and just like fluffy. For the Halloween season, not only did I want to craft, but I wanted to push myself to do something a little different. And for me, a little different is watching horror movies. I am a big scaredy cat. It might seem weird, given my love of all things Halloween. Look at a voodoo doll, pumpkins, Frankenstein, Bride of Frankenstein, and lots of Halloween yarn. I basically live, breathe, eat Halloween. You would think I would love horror movies, but I don't. I really don't. Some I can take if they're more gore-based. I can watch them without any problem. Gore doesn't bother me. But if they're psychological, they build your anxiety, like all of these things, I don't watch. So I'm trying something new, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So I want to watch horror movies, and unfortunately, due to copyright issues and all that crap, I won't be able to show you the movie, but I want to have you guys see my reactions, and I can talk to you guys in the chat and all that stuff while it's going on. I can talk to you guys will hear my screams and my like like all of that you'll be able to see. And I want to do this periodically throughout Halloween, which is again September 1st through October 31st, which is exactly when I'm doing my crafts. So the unfortunate part is that the equipment that I need, which is an audio splitter and 2 sets of headphones, all come to about $60. And as you guys know, I'm living the struggle right now and cannot afford that on my own. So I'm asking you if you would like to donate. I have a Venmo account and I have a Cashapp account, and I will put those in the description box below. And you can donate if you want to see me freak out, because I'm gonna freak out. And you might wonder, why are headphones and a jack splitter? Why do you need a splitter? Why do you need 2 sets of headphones? Well, I'll tell you, I need emotional support, and unfortunately my dog is not the emotional level of emotional support I need. So I'm gonna have Mel with me watching the movie, and Mel loves horror movies, and so she's gonna be calm, cool, and collected, and I'm gonna be losing my shit. So if you would like to donate, I need to get up to $60 to order all the things that I need. I'd really appreciate it. Donate what you can. If you can't donate, then don't donate. I'm not gonna make you donate. That's not my style. But if you want to see me lose my shit and have the pants scared off of me, then please donate. It will be a great time, and I probably will watch some other movies, not just really scary movies, but probably some like campy horror movies and some silly movies. Like I'm definitely gonna watch Elvira, Mistress of the Dark, and things like that that aren't scary, but they're just classic Halloween movies. So if you guys want to see that, please feel free to donate. Like I said, there's no pressure from me. And no pressure from my dog either, who is deciding that my Halloween yarn is very interesting all of a sudden. So yeah, so check the description, and if you want to donate, please do. Thank you very much. Bye. I love you.